Lemongrass Gin Fizz. So of course we're going to use gin. We've got a lemongrass syrup that we just made that we think is delicious. We've got an egg. We're going to use the egg white and some lemon. So here we go. I'm going to start with a 3/4 of an ounce of our lemongrass syrup. We're going to do a full ounce of lemon. And 2 ounces of gin. Okay. Let's give this a nice, good, sturdy shake. Now this is normally the point where we'd strain the cocktail over some fresh ice and be done with it, right? However, in this particular instance, we're making an egg white cocktail. So how we like to do it here at Alley 26 is shake the liquid ingredients cold, then get ourselves an egg white. Shake it again. Now, it's already cold, which is a good place to start. And then we're just going to shake this guy. We're just getting the egg white to be fluffy. We don't need it to be, we don't have to shake it hard or anything. That doesn't really help. What you really want is for it to get fluffy. And sometimes a nice long throw is really what the doctor ordered here. So what you're feeling for is for it to get like fluffy or cloudy. Some people say pillowy. Whatever your acronym or your euphemism. There you go, you'll feel it. At this point, I like to send it through the fine mesh just in case I got an errant piece of eggshell. I'll also say I pulled this glass out of the freezer. If you're gonna put a drink like this not on the rocks, then I would make sure I started with a nice cold glass. Then we're going to add some mineral water. We're using Topo Chico, which I like a lot. It's force carbonated and it's got plenty of zip. There you go. Lemongrass Gin Fizz. Drink up.